Easy Crew back once again with another video, and I just wanted to talk about something that was on my brain. I want to share it with you guys. Yeah, I've been getting sort of recent emails and stuff from Chicken Systems. Now, Chicken Systems is a really good company. One of the companies that still make cool stuff for hardware samplers, and they've got some real interesting products. I recommend going to their website and checking out what they've got. But this video in particular is in response to this new development that I've seen, and it's called a GOTEK SCSI. Now, price-wise, it's about the price of a GOTEK and the price of a Zulu SCSI put together, and they've basically, from what I understand, is they have made a Zulu SCSI, which is like an updated version of the SCSI to SD, but instead of using sort of what they call SD cards, having sort of samples put on there, etc. You just basically have hard drive images, which I'll get to because I'm in the process of actually converting all of my zip disks to disk images, which is really cool. So, and I'd recommend checking out a program called Translator 6 that they make, hot potatoes, but I'll do a separate video on that when I get a chance. Yeah, back to this Zulu SCSI. Now, the thing is about this is the Zulu SCSI board mounted on top of a GOTEK emulator. This is the only sampler host that use SCSI and have the hi-hat bezel. Let's have a look. It's for Ensoniq, EPS16, etc. Blah blah blah. And it says and the 950. For more information about Zulu SCSI, see the specifics. So it says 950, but it doesn't mention Akai and stuff. But I'm assuming that this does actually work with Akai, and that I'll have to get onto go on to Chicken Systems and find out. But this is a real cool piece of kit. See, you stick it into your sampler and whatever, and basically access it like it's a hard drive. And you've also got the comfort of having the GOTEK all in one port. So if you're short for ports, you can have the best of both worlds. But the only thing is, it mentions the 950 for me, which is a little bit concerning because the 950 doesn't come with SCSI as standard. Most people know that it doesn't have SCSI as standard. You've got to find the rarest rocking horse crap Akai S950 SCSI IB109, and as you can see, they're rare as rocking horse crap. People are looking for them, and it's a retro piece of tech. Let's have a look here and just see if we can see one on the images. And as you can see, it looks something like this. It's an IB109. I've had a few people mention that they've got it on the channel, and this is obviously the manual for it. It doesn't have much. Oh, it does, yeah, there we go, and that's the images. So you've got to plug this expansion in, and what this will do is it'll give you hard drive capabilities, because you ever notice when using Akai S950 it asks about the hard drive, and you think, well, how can you put a hard drive on it? Well, this is how. Now it looks like you've got some EPROM upgrades. I haven't done a deep dive into that, but obviously this looks like it works hand in hand. But I've done some more sort of searching and stuff, and I came across this company, Sakamono 025, that sells a Akai S950 Stratos SCSI IB IF card. Sorry, my bad. Just done a long day at work, guys. And as you can see, they sell the card here. It looks like they remake it. Stratos. Comment down below, guys, if you know. 333 quid. I wish I bought this stuff like ages ago, because I'll give you an example. This card, this is for the S5000. This gives you 8 extra outputs. This was like £35 before all of this whole, global malarkey started happening. It's getting really hard to get stuff in from abroad and post stuff out at the moment due to the old cyberism. So back to what we're talking about. The Akai S950 Stratos card is available here. So you'd probably need one of these to utilize the full Zulu SCSI element of it. And as you can see, they're quite expensive, and the only people I see selling them, and as well alongside EPROM upgrades, it's coming from Japan or Germany, so it's quite far out. And I just want to bring that on your radar. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, guys. Check out Chicken Systems website. Let me know if you've used any of their products. And it would be good to hear, because I do think that Chicken Systems is, a pretty good company. As you can see, they've got the Translator 7 right now. I don't know if anyone's used the Translator 7 Pro yet. But as I said, this is the only piece of kit that's been in development now for Akai samplers. All of us retro people that love all the hardware stuff, man. These people should be our best mate. So big up to Chicken Systems. I'll give them a big shout out. Put a link in the description where you could go there, check out their products. Absolutely awesome. Right, guys, if you're enjoying this kind of content, you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up, as I say. And will be helping us out with the channel and giving us the YouTube algorithm help as well, and be bigging up the channels more than you know. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Peace out.